Hi, I'm Cynthia Thielke and I live in Middleton, Wisconsin. I'm retired from working as a credit collections manager. As a point and profit subscriber, I was given the opportunity to take the drip version of EFT MasterTrader and signed up for cash during the course in October 2008. I'm sharing my Sector Hunter experience to let other novice investor traders know that Sector Hunter really works, even in these tumultuous times. I originally signed up for the service because I was curious. Sure, I wanted long-term growth, immediate cash, and consistent cash flow, but I also wanted knowledge. Knowledge of how in the world, out of the thousands of stocks out there, I could find one to buy or short or whatever I wanted to do to make money. You see, I read the Wall Street Journal, Investors Business Daily, Smart Money, Money, and Kiplinger's, trying to figure out which stocks to trade. This one says, buy this stock. Another one says, no, sell that stock. Very confusing. I now have a better understanding of how to find stocks to make money. I will always use the principles of Sector Hunter from now on. I'm confident that these trading guidelines will stack the odds more in my favor. Sector Hunter, Master Trader, has put order into the chaos, quiet into the noise, and calm into my emotions. Thank you.